So, most beginners think the problem is not having a CPA license. And honestly, akala ko rin dati, yun yung biggest reason why I couldn't succeed. Pero, feeling ko noon, automatically disqualified na ako. Kasi kapag iniisip mo yung bookkeeping, usually, ang naiisip agad ng tao ay CPA, accounting graduate, experienced professional. So, before, sobrang intimidated ako. I remember before, constantly comparing to others. Makakita lang ako na may experience sa akin, parang nawawalan na agad yung confidence ko. Iniisip ko, sino ba naman ang kukuha sa akin? Hindi naman ako CPA, wala naman akong impressive na background, and honestly, that insecurity became one of the biggest reason why natagalan akong maniwala sa sarili ko. Important din ang sasabihin ko na to. I truly respect CPAs. Sobrang valuable ng kanilang profession na yon. And this is not about saying na hindi importante ang CPA. Because it is valuable. Pero eventually, may na-realize ako na hindi lang credential yung basehan para magkaroon ka ng opportunities. When I seriously took bookkeeping noong 2021, wala akong powerful connection, wala akong malaking confidence, wala akong perfect credentials. Takot nga ako madalas eh. Tapos habang nag-aaral ako, ang dami ko ring moments na feeling ko behind ako. Pero slowly, nagkaroon ako ng practical understanding. So, nag-improve yung communication ko, mas natuto akong maging organized, mas natuto akong makinig sa client needs. And eventually, I got my first client, $150. Hindi dahil perfect ako, hindi dahil pinaka-qualified ako, but because someone gave me a chance. And I show up seriously. One thing I realized working with this client is a lot of clients are not looking for perfect. They're looking for reliable people, honest communication, organized support, someone willing to learn, someone they can trust. Kasi kahit gaano kaganda ang credentials mo, kung hindi ka responsive, hindi ka organized, or mahirap ka kausap, clients will still struggle. And on the other side, kahit beginner ka pa, if willing ka talagang matuto at maayos yung work ethics mo, you can still create opportunities slowly. I think maraming mga tao ang nagdi-disqualify agad too early before sila mag-try, before sila mag-apply, before sila mag-improve through experience. And honestly, nakakalungkot yun. Kasi minsan, ang biggest barrier, hindi lack of potential, self-rejection. Yung belief na hindi ako enough, and I understand that feeling deeply. Kasi ilang beses ko ring sinabi yon sa sarili ko before. Hindi ko sinasabing madali, hindi ko rin sinasabi na overnight magkaka-client ka kagad. Skill still matters, and learning still matters. Consistency still matters. Pero gusto ko lang maintindihan mo na ang lack of CPA does not automatically means lack of opportunity. You can still learn, you can still improve, you can still build confidence slowly. And sometimes, real confidence only starts growing once you finally allow yourself to try. So if you've been telling yourself na hindi ako pwede dahil hindi ako CPA, I hope you reconsider that belief. Not because credentials don't matter, but because opportunities are sometimes bigger than the limitation we place on ourselves. Don't reject yourself before the market even gets the chance to know you.